Now we know why the Republican House of Representatives rammed through their latest health care scheme before the Congressional Budget Office had time to review it. The CBO released its numbers yesterday, and it shows that the House bill is a virtual death panel. 14 million Americans could be uninsured next year. 23 million people may be uninsured by 2026. Insurance costs could skyrocket for people with pre-existing conditions. The CBO writes, less healthy people would face extremely high premiums. The CBO explained, quote, in 2026, an estimated 51 million people under age 65 would be uninsured, compared with 28 million who would lack insurance under Obamacare. The CBO report says out-of-pocket spending on maternity care and mental health and substance abuse services could be increased by thousands of dollars. This would have a disproportionate impact on Trump's white, working-class rural base, where substance abuse is ruining lives and decreasing life expectancy. Yes, the House bill would lower federal budget deficits by $119 million over a decade, but why stop there? If no one had health insurance, we could save trillions of dollars. Sure, millions of people would get sick and die, but think about how much money we'd save. The Republicans' predictable know-nothing reaction to the devastating CBO report was to attack the messenger because they didn't like the message. They will also continue to deliberately undermine Obamacare instead of fix its shortcomings. Also, they can disingenuously claim it's not working. Yeah, maybe it's not working because you're undermining it. The GOP House bill is so rotten that Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell isn't sure how it will pass the Senate. McConnell told Reuters, quote, I don't know how we get to 50 votes at the moment, but that's the goal. That's the goal? To have 23 million people who can see a doctor today who won't be able to see one tomorrow? Also, millionaires and billionaires can get a $50,000 tax cut? Really? Seriously? Talk about screwed up priorities. It's time Republicans ask, is the GOP really on your team? What will it take? Your children getting sick before you're finally sick of the GOP? Will it take a family disaster before you admit that Republican Party policies are a disaster? Your blind loyalty to the Republican Party is myopic and misplaced. It's time you stop being sycophantic cheerleaders while your party leads America off a cliff. Until we meet again, this is Wayne Besen for the Progressive Broadcasting Network. Sign up today for our email list at pbnamerica@gmail.com. That's pbnamerica@gmail.com.